Knott's Berry Farm, and we are here at Calico River Rapids.
Welcome to Calico River Rapids!
Hey guys, AttractionSpot here at Knott's Berry Farm on the new Calico River Rapids. We are going on this thing right now. I'm wearing this poncho. It says Calico River Rapids on it. And it's kind of purplish red, maybe for boysenberry. It's kind of cool, I like it. I'm wearing it because it's really cold right now. And I just don't want to be freezing. But we're going down this river here. It's supposed to be pretty wild. They said to watch out for a Bigfoot, yeah. And watch out for some TNT or something like that. So, yeah, we're doing this. Alright, so far so good. Doesn't look too bad. Whew. Says please remain seated, so better do that. Oh, we got a little bit wet there. Just a little bit. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh, we got some rattlesnakes here. Watch out for the rattlesnakes, especially the pink ones. Oh no. Whoa, that was close. Woo! So far so good. Oh no, we got some crossfire here. He's shooting at us. Watch out. Woo! Alright. Oh, we got some raccoons here playing with some TNT. That's not good either. Oh, we got ourselves a little cub and some groundhogs or moles or whatever. I'm not sure what those are. Interesting. Oh. I don't know if you get wet on this other part here. The other one was dripping, but we're good. Woo. Oh. Hawks. We got some, got a hen house, chickens or something, whatever. I don't know. Woo. Wow. Wow, this is incredible. Oh, we got a bear with a fish in his mouth. He's hunting for some food. Bears love their fish and honey too, so. Oh no. This is the TNT they told us not to do. Oh no. Oh. Okay, the wind was blowing the other way, so we didn't get wet on that. That was good. Close call. Let's see what else is going on here. Oh, we're going into a cave. Wow, okay, here we go. Oh, there's Bigfoot. They told us to watch out for him. Oh no. Oh. Oh. That was close. Thought it was gonna get more wet than that. All right, and it looks like we're done. That was amazing. Okay, wow. Big transformation from the original Rapids ride. But yeah. Whew. We're going up this conveyor belt now. All right. Lots of good scenery here too. The queue is amazing.
Welcome back, adventurers.
Thank you.
Please remain seated with your
So we gotta go tell
until the raft is
the city of Calico
one of our river guides
and the Mayfields that we made it through okay, because they were worried about us. So yeah.
Thank you for riding Potts and Coulter's Calico River Rapids and enjoy the rest
Wow,
of your day.
it's actually longer for a name than what they said. All right, we're getting here to the top. That was an amazing ride. Thank you so much for watching this. If you guys want to check out my other videos from AttractionSpot, that would be amazing. Subscribe if you love roller coasters, Calico River Rapids, and Knott's Berry Farm. Subscribe, follow me on my social media, check out my merch, and I will see you guys later. Bye. You can now join and become a member of AttractionSpot and be a part of the AS fam. All you have to do is head over to our YouTube channel and click join. Then you can become a member and get exclusive perks, such as a custom badge and comments and live chat that gets more exclusive the longer you have your membership, from 1 month all the way to 2 years. Early access to our new videos, exclusive community tab posts, be a featured member on our videos, and custom emojis. All you have to do is click join. The monthly subscription amount may be different depending on which country you live in, and some countries may currently not offer it. Fill out the payment information, click buy, and that's it. You're now part of the AS fam.